Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. And today I'm going to show you guys how to replace the Wi-Fi card or airport card on a 2015 MacBook Pro, 2015 Retina MacBook Pro. So anyways, get started. So first of all, let me just adjust the camera here. Okay. So first of all, you want to power off the MacBook, which I have to do. So you just want to shut down. There we go. Oh, it's not focusing. So I'll wait for it to shut down and then can proceed. Alright. So first of all, you want to get a pentalobe screwdriver. And you want to unscrew the screws on the bottom of the MacBook. There's a total of 10 screws on the bottom, 4 on the top, 4 on the bottom, and 2 on the sides. Oops, the camera isn't. Alright, good enough. So now that all the screws are out from the bottom, you can pry up the bottom panel, which is pretty easy. Some dust. And now you can pry up the battery connector. There's a screw. Supposed to go there. And it's not screwing in. Something wrong with the thread. I don't know. Just put that in there. Well, now that the battery's disconnected, we can move up to the top or to the left side of the computer. You can zoom in here. You want to disconnect these 3 cables, so you can just disconnect that. There we go. And now we want to get a T6, I think. I don't know. Nope. You want to get a TR5 screwdriver bit, or screwdriver. And once you unscrew it from the Wi-Fi card, you can disconnect it. You can remove it from the MacBook Pro. Okay, now once that's removed, you can get your new one or something, and you can put it on. You just need to readjust this rubber. There's a small rubber piece that I just had. Where is it? Oh, it's right here. So I'm gonna stick that back onto the screw. There we go. So now you can get your new Wi-Fi card. I need to dust this one off. Got a brush. This is an anti-static brush, so everything's fine. There we go. Now that that's done, we can, put it back in or put your new one in. So make sure that's in nice and tight. Screw it in. And connect the cables. Oops. It might take some work to get them connected, but yeah. All right. So now that that's done, you can zoom out. Reconnect the battery. Make sure that's connected fully, and can put the bottom cover back on. Make sure the clips are in. Can screw in the screws to the bottom. Usually, I would recommend testing the MacBook before you screw it in. Like clip it on, and if it does work, you're good. But if it doesn't, I don't know what you did wrong. Ow. Finish screwing in the bottom screws. This MacBook did have the delamination issue, but I fixed that with an easy fix that you can search up online, and it's pretty cool. Then you'll have no anti-reflective coating, but it's better than having delamination. So you can open the lid. Turn it on. There we go. Connect the charger. Sometimes this charger doesn't work. So now I can type in my password. And there we go. So that is how you replace the Wi-Fi card / airport card on a 2015 Retina MacBook Pro. And yeah, that does it for this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Oh, wait, check out my Twitter at ufelix5.